And then we're going into more detailed work for the cheek. So we're taking that notched edge again, and I'm gonna smile a little bit so I can kind of get underneath the cheekbone, close by the nose there. And I'm gonna anchor the side of my nose as I glide along underneath that cheek line. And this is a more muscular release. So this is a different technique than we've been using to kind of stimulate the lymph. So this is meant to release some of the tightness or adhesions that tend to build up underneath that cheek line. And you could easily do this with your finger too. In fact, I actually learned how to do this release at a Pilates workshop using just your finger. And this line here underneath the cheek happens to be a pressure point for your upper traps. So you're actually getting like a double benefit here. So releasing this and then releasing some shoulder tightness as you're doing it. Just gonna do that once, and then now we're going back to more of that gentle pressure to stimulate the lymph. We're gonna take the same notched edge. I'm going to start same spot, just underneath the cheekbone, and then I'm going to glide and anchor with my opposite hand. And then once I kind of pass the main part of my cheek, I'm going to glide upwards along the cheek